Hello everyone, welcome back to Matrix lecture series. In the last lecture, we were discussing questions of exercise 3.1, but due to some technical error, we were unable to complete the whole exercise. So today let's begin the discussion from question number 6 onwards. Yes, so here is the question number 6. As I told you in the last lecture also, that what we are given in question number 6, we are given that the matrices are equal. So what the condition we know about equality of matrices? There are two conditions. The first condition says that two matrices are equal if they have same order. Second condition is that they have the same element, and this same element in the two matrices we will check correspondingly. I hope these two things are very much remembered to you. So let's discuss this question. Okay, so in this question we are given that the two matrices are equal. Now since they are equal, what we have know about this? We know that the two matrices have the same order, which is very evident here also. Now the another thing which we know about equality is that the two matrices will have the same entry in the corresponding position. Okay, so let's discuss question part 3, and the remaining two parts you can do by yourself. Okay, so question number 6 part 3. Let me first note down the matrices x y z, x plus z, y plus z, which is given as equal to 9, 5 and 7. Now simply what we have to do, we just have to equate the corresponding terms. Why we are doing so? Because we have already given that the matrices are equal. So just simply equating the term xy plus z is x plus y plus z is equals to 9. This is our first equation. Our second equation is x plus z is equals to 5. This is our second equation, and y plus z is equals to 7. This is our third equation. Solving first, second and third by simply substituting equation third in equation first, what we get? Let's see. We get x plus 7 is equals to 9, which implies x is equals to 2. Now putting x is equals to 2 in equation second, what we get? We get z is equals to 5 minus 2, which is nothing but 3. So we get z is equals to 3. Now substituting this value in third, what we get? We get y is equals to 7. Y is equals to 7 minus 3, which is equals to 4. So my x, y and z, x, y and z are these values. I hope this is very much clear to you, and in the similar way you can also do the remaining two parts of question number 6. Okay, so now let's move ahead to question number 7. In question number 7, again what we have given? We have given that the two matrices are equal. What we have to find? We have to find the value of a, b, c and d. Again similar concept, we have to first check the order. Yes, they are of the same order. Now second thing, their corresponding elements should be same. Simply just by moving on the same lines as we did question number 7, we can question number 6 we can proceed question number 7. So let me first note down the matrices, which is a minus b to a plus c. This is equals to minus 1, 5, 0, 13. Here we have 2a minus b and 3c plus d. Now equating the corresponding elements, what we get? A minus b is equals to minus 1, 2a plus c is equals to 5, 2a minus b is equals to 0, and 3c plus d is equals to 13. From here what we can imply? We can imply that 2a is equals to b. Now put suppose I marked it as 1. Now substituting I marked it as A. Substituting A in B, what I will get? I will get A minus 2A is equals to minus 1. Agree? I have put the value of B as 2A in equation B. So this gives me A is equals to 1. Now substituting A value in equation A, what I get? I get B is equals to 2. Agree? For if you it might be confusing to you, so you can mark it as star also, and this as double star. It is totally your choice. So just to avoid the confusion, you can mark in this way. So we have found A value and B value. Now simply substituting A value in let's say triple star, okay, in triple star equation, what I get? I get 2 times 1 plus C is equals to 5, which gives me C is equals to 3. Now what the last value remaining? Last value D value is remaining, which can easily find using the last equation, this equation 3C plus D equals to 13. So 3C plus D is equals to 13 implies D is equals to 13 minus 9, which implies D is equals to 4. So this is the D value, this is the C value, this is the A value, and this is the B value. These are the required values of A, B and C and D, which are satisfying the condition. Which condition are they satisfying? They are satisfying the condition of equality of these two matrices, this matrix and this matrix. I hope that this is clear to you. Moving ahead to question number 8. Okay, question number 8 is missing from here, I guess so. No problem. You can refer to your NCERT book for question number 8. Let me read out for you. Okay, what does question number 8 says? Question number 8 says that we are given A as a matrix in this form. What we have asked? We have asked that what should be the condition on this M and N so that it is a square matrix. We are given 4 options. We are given this option as A, we are giving this option as B, this option as C, and this option as D. In the D option we have given none of these. Okay, so you can very easily, if you have watched my first video, you can very easily answer this question in the square matrix. The square matrix is one in which there are equal number of rows to the equal number of columns. So simply option C is the correct option. I don't think is there any requirement of further explanation. In first video, when I was discussing the types of matrices, I discussed a square matrix. In the square matrix, I told you that in the square matrix, the number of rows and the number of columns are equal. So simply here the number of rows is M, the number of rows is M, the number of columns is N. When will it be a square matrix? When both M and N are equal. So option C is the correct answer. Let's discuss ninth question, number 9. It is also again very easy question, which is based on equality. See, the matrices are given equal, so we have basically we are basically asked to find the value of x and y such that the matrices are equal. So again, the first condition for being equal is that they must have the same order. Obviously they are having the same order. Now we have to find the x and y value so that it is equal, so that the matrices are equal. Let's try to find the value of x and y. Question number 9. Yes, so you can see that we can very easily form the equation that 3x plus 7 is equals to 0. What it gives me? It gives me that x is equals to minus 7 over 3. Okay, now also by comparing A22 entry, by comparing A22 entry, you can also write that 2 minus 3x is equals to 4. But the value of x I have already calculated here as x is equals to minus 7 by 3. Let me substitute it here and check whether it is satisfying or not. I am putting it in LHS. So 2 minus 3, what I have got here? I have got minus 7 by 3. Minus 7 by 3. Okay. So 2 plus 7. 7 to 9. It is 9, which is not equal to RHS. Which is equals to RHS is equals to 4, but 9 is not is equals to 4. That means that x value is contradicting. X value is contradicting at two positions. For A11, x is equals to minus 7 by 3, but for A22, x is equals to, if I calculate it from here, what I get? I will get that x is equals to minus 2 by 3. So these two values are different. This is not possible. Hence, what the answer we get that not possible to find. Not possible to find. That is which is option number, let me see. Yes, option number B. Option number B is the answer. It is not possible to find because we are getting different values of x. I hope it is clear. Moving ahead to question number 10. This is an important question. It is also often asked in CUET examination. So, so you need to be very attentive in this. There can be a similar question can be asked from you, but in a different way. Let me first discuss this question. What we have given? Actually, we have given a 3 by 3 matrix. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. These are the 9 positions in the 3 by 3 matrices, and you already know that what will here comes, what will here come, what will here come. Here will come 1 A11, here come A12, here come A13, here A21, A22, A23, A31, A32, A33. Right? Here all these values come. But we are given in the question that each of the entry is either 0 or 1. Okay, so these are the two possible entries for each position. Now, at this very position, two possibilities are there. There are two possibilities. There are two possibilities. At this position, there are two possibilities. Similarly, at all these positions, there are two possibilities. What are these two possibilities? The two possibilities are that there can be 0 or there can be 1 element. So in all, how many possibilities do we have? We have 2 into 2 into multiply by 2. How many times? This is actually 9 times, because there are in all 9 positions where we have possibilities. So in all we have this much of possibilities, that is 2 raised to the power 9, which is equals to 512. Right? These are the possible. These are the possibilities. Now, in the examination, your CUET examination, they may ask if the possible entries for each position is 0 or 1 or 2. Now, in this case, each position can have 3 possibilities, and there are total 9 positions. So 3 raised to the power 9 will be the answer. I hope it is clear to you. So our answer for the original question is 512, which is let me see, it is option number D. Option number D is the correct answer. I hope it is clear to you. In your examination, there can be various variations. One variation I have already discussed. Instead of 0 and 1, they can give any element. They can give any other number. Instead of 0 and 1, they might give 2, 3. They might give 5, 7, or they can give many other numbers. They can give 3 numbers, 1, 2, 3, 4 5 6. So accordingly you can do. What the basic concept is, let me again explain you. The basic concept is that let me again write. Yes, so we are having 3 by 3 matrix. In 3 by 3 matrix we already know that there are 9 positions, right? For each position we have, in the given question we have 2 possibilities. What are the 2 possibilities? That at this position there can be 0 or there can be 1. Here also there are 2 possibilities, either there is 0 or there is 1. Here also there we have 2 possibilities, either 0 or 1. Similarly at all the positions we have 2 possibilities, that there can be 0 or there can be 1. So in all we have 2 raised to the power 9 possibilities. Actually this is a concept, that how we are getting 2 raised to the power 9, or in other words why I am only multiplying 2 9 times. This is a concept of permutation and combinations. If that is clear to you, then it is very easily understandable that why I am multiplying. Another question that might arise in your mind, that we can also add up these 2 plus 2 up to 9 times, but we will not add up these, because according to the concept of permutation and combination we have to multiply here. Why we are multiplying? Because these are the in all possibilities. Okay, so I hope it is clear to you. This is the end of this exercise. This is the last question we have discussed. So in case you have any query in the remaining questions, you can for sure put it in your comment section. You can reach out to our team via various social media handles. Till then, keep studying.